Today's reading goal is to be able to explain the controversies over the new U.S. Constitution. Section 11. The Constitution goes to the states. Newspapers in every state printed the Constitution as soon as they could get it. What readers found was a plan that would create a federal system of government in which a strong national government shared power with the states. Before long, the entire country was debating the same issues that had kept the convention in session for 4 long months. The Federalists. Supporters of the Constitution called themselves Federalists. The Federalists argued that the Constitution would create a national government that was strong enough to unite the quarreling states into a single republic. James Madison, Alexander Hamilton, and John Jay led the Federalist campaign for ratification. In a series of newspaper essays, they recalled the weaknesses of the government under the Articles of Confederation. They showed how the Constitution would remedy those weaknesses by creating a stronger, more effective union of the states. The Federalist leaders also addressed the fears of many Americans that a strong government would threaten their freedom or take away their rights. The powers given to the government, they pointed out, were strictly limited. In addition, those powers were divided among 3 branches so that no one branch could become too powerful. The influential articles written by Madison, Hamilton, and Jay were later collected and published as the Federalist Papers. The Federalist Papers were a series of essays written by James Madison, Alexander Hamilton, and John Jay in support of the ratification of the Constitution by the states. The Anti-Federalists. Anti-Federalists, opponents of the Constitution, found much to dislike about the new plan. Congress, they feared, would burden the country with taxes. They also claimed that the president had power enough to rule like a king, and the judicial branch would overpower state courts. The Anti-Federalists also complained about what was missing from the plan, primarily that the plan listed the powers of the government, but not the rights of the people. Most of all, the Anti-Federalists feared change, and the idea of giving up any state power to form a stronger union, or United States, made them uneasy. After listening to the arguments, Madison wrote that the question facing the nation was whether the Union shall or shall not be continued. There is, in my opinion, no middle ground to be taken.